Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video I want to show you a really cool tool with which you can see what your website visitors are doing on your website, and tool that shows you the heat map and records a video of your website visitors, what they are doing on your website, what they are clicking, and so there are a few tools out there that you can use to produce heat maps of your website. So this is really helpful when you try to optimize your website, when you try to optimize the conversion rate of your website. So it doesn't matter if you have a website where you want to sell services, or if you have an online store where you want to sell products, and for some reason your conversion rate is not that great, and you don't know why your products or your services are not converting that well. So these tools are very great. So they help you identify the conversion rate blocker on your website, and there are, like I said, there are a few tools out there that helps you with this. So for example, there is Crazy Egg and there is Heatmap.com. They are doing almost every tool did the same here, and there's also Hotjar. This is a very popular program, Hotjar. This produces heat maps as well. But of course, the problem is always if you want to test it, if you have a small website or just want to test it, or you have a really small, for example, really small dropshipping store where you don't want to invest that much money in these tools. So let me show you, for example, Hotjar. Let me show you the prices of Hotjar, and you can see, okay, they have a basic version. I think Heatmap and Crazy Egg, they have also a basic plan, but these basic plans are very, very limited, and so you can see tracked sessions per day only 35, and responses per month 20 only, and then it's getting really, really pricey. So you can see here it is in euro, 32 euros. I think it's $35 per month if you pay yearly, and the same goes for all the other websites, or for all the other services here. And they are really cool, but of course they are really expensive. And in this video I want to show you a really cool free version. And so this tool is from Microsoft themselves. It is Microsoft Clarity, and Microsoft Clarity did almost the same, or did completely the same. Plus, Microsoft Clarity records videos of the website visitors, what they are doing on your website, and you also get a video of every session on your website, and you can see where they are clicking, how they are scrolling through your website, and this is really great. And Microsoft Clarity is completely free, so you don't have to pay anything. I don't know why this is had the pricing label here. I think when you have a really it's completely free. Yeah, this is only a joke. So I was wondering why there's a pricing tag, but like I said, Microsoft Clarity is completely free, and it has all the same functions as Hotjar and Heatmap.com and Crazy Egg. And so I think Microsoft Clarity is the best. So if you want to record your website visitors, want to see exactly what they are doing on your website, where they are clicking on your website, why they don't check out, and stuff like this, so you can do A/B testing on your website with this tool. You can optimize the conversion rate of your website with this tool. So I install Microsoft Clarity on almost every website, on my own website, and also on customer website. When customers come to me and say they want to optimize their website, or they want to optimize their conversion rate, then the first thing I do is install Clarity on their website, and then yeah, let it run for a week or a little bit longer, so that there's enough data gathered, so I can exactly see what's going on in the website, why the website is not converting. And yeah, to install it, it's really easy. So you can log in, simply go here to log in, and yeah, log in with your Microsoft account, or you can even log in, I think, with Facebook and your Google account, and then you can connect your website. It doesn't matter if you have a WordPress website, a Wix website, Squarespace, and so on, so Drupal, everything works with this. You can, yeah, you first have to connect your website to Microsoft. And Microsoft, what it called, Microsoft Website Administrator tool, I think it's called. Then yeah, and then you can register for the Clarity program. It's really easy. So you get a code snippet that you have to place into the header of your website. You can do this if, for example, if you have a WordPress website or WooCommerce store, for example, then it's really simple. You place this in the header of your website on every page, and yeah, then Clarity has full access to your website and can record your website and can yeah, take the snapshots of the heat maps. So this is really great. Let me show you real quick on my website here how does it look like. So this is the WordPress backend of my website, realtypixel.com, and here you can see I installed it. You can see Clarity down here, and when I click on Clarity, I hope I'm logged in. Let's wait a second here. Yeah, I'm logged in. So you can see this website is fairly new. So here you can see we have some metrics here. Live user, distinct user, excessive scrolling, rage clicks, dead clicks, JavaScript errors. You have with this tool, you have so many datas, and here you can see, for example, this is the homepage. You can see realtypixel.com. This is yeah, the homepage, and then you have here the landing pages for the individual services. Here, for example, search engine optimization. Here you can see 37 website visitors this month, and here you can see the heat map. I can go to the heat maps, and then here you can see the video files. So let me click on the video files, and then Microsoft Clarity will open. And yeah, now we are in my account. Here you can see, for example, I think this is myself, Germany. The user comes from Germany. Yeah, use Mac OS X. Yeah, that's me. So here you can see exactly duration of the session is 22 seconds. Click 0, pages 1. I don't know what this is. Here you can see the next one is from India and another India. Here you can see United States. Session duration is 14 seconds. Yeah, and so on and so on. United States, 0 clicks. I don't know what this is, why they are don't clicking on anything. Let me, here you can see, that's myself, but you get the idea. You can see the clicks and so ever, and if you click here, then you can see the video on yeah, on the screen. You can see the video playing. You can see exactly what the website visitor is doing on your website, what they are scrolling, and so on and so on. And like I said, here are the heat maps, and here you can see, yeah, if you click here, then you can see the heat map. Let me click on the heat map real quick, that you can see this. But I think there is no interaction because this is, I think, myself. But yeah, if you gather some data, then you can see the heat map, and you have also the Google Analytics here. And yeah, this is a really great tool. So like I said, yeah, when you want to see details on your website. When you want to see what the website visitors are doing on your website, then it's a really good idea to install it, because Microsoft Clarity is completely free and you don't have to pay anything, and Microsoft Clarity does exactly the same like Hotjar or Heatmap.com or Crazy Egg. And I think Crazy Egg didn't record videos, so and it's really expensive. And if you want to save money and optimize your website, then I think this is a really great solution. And if you have any questions, then let me know in the comments down below. I will check them out and answer your questions as fast as I can. And like I said, it's really easy to install if you sign up to Microsoft Clarity or to the Bing website administrator tool. Then you get a code snippet that you have to place in the header of your website on every page you want to check on. And this is really cool. So that's it for the video. I hope you learned something new in the video. If you like the video, then please give the video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And otherwise, then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.